I got more video of it. Oh, you might want to keep him out of there.
Take a picture of me right now.
Yeah, take him out.
He's sitting on my hand. You bastard! Here, I wanted him. Hey, let me just hold him.
Hey, hey.
Let
me see his face. Ah, he's so cute.
Wear that.
Let me see his face. Relax. Yeah, don't.
He likes jumping from my
Yeah.
Come on, monkey, come to me. Come to me. Stand still. Pose for me.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
He's the cooler. He knows the cooler.
I'll take him.
Get my camera out.
Why are you in the pictures? I don't want you in a picture. Is he licking your hair? He's eating your life.
Cleaning my hair out.
Come on, my hair's better.
Cleaning my hair. Aww.
Is he finding all the lights?
That's what I just said.
Come on, my hair's better.
That is such an adorable thing.
Okay. No tongue.
Ow! Hey! Hey!
Okay. Oh, he's making out with him.
He's licking the sweat. They found a lot of bugs.
Hello.
Oh, Greek food.
You're like, oh, careful.
Easy. He ate. Just let go.
That's what I was trying to do. Just let go.
Wait, no one stepped my glasses.
A little stunned, I think.
He only trusts Mystery now.
Okay, no tongue. Get out of there. He's tonguing me. He's actually tonguing my ear. Get out of it. A wet willy from a friggin' monkey.
Maybe you should have cleaned it.
Why is he doing that?
Because he likes you.
Oh, no.
Why not?
You see his face. He's doing it again. I'm gonna run out of battery and out of space doing this.
No tongue. Get out of there.
You like to taste the earwax.
This is great.
Can't even get his face.
Aww.
Thanks for watching.
He likes Mystery.
Hey.
Does he know you?
No. First time I met him. We're going to third base.
Hey, you guys still get two.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Oh my god.
This is going on YouTube. Monkey attack.
Nicole, hold him still.
Too bad there aren't enough people to actually.
Don't crowd him.
No, he likes jumping.
Uh-oh. Oh, he likes Slano.
He likes Greek.
he likes feta cheese.
Hey, Ryan, take this on me.
Hey, how are you? Oh, that's his tail.
Mono.
Aww. He likes Nicole.
Dang it, monkey, show me your face.
Nicole, you should be a vet.
You getting mauled?
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, he was just like,
Not my earring.
and he was screeching too, really loud. He's like,
Is he like a little baby?
I gotta get his face.
That's
Why is this monkey here? Why does it?
This is great.
This is a naughty monkey.
Uh-oh.
Now he's looking afraid. He's fucking scared.
That's my hand.
That's my hand. Yeah, bite it. I don't care.
I'm not a piranha.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no. No.
He's gonna.
No.
My monkey friend.
Suelta.
Alright.
He's an angry monkey.
Travieso.
Give him to feta.
Oh. Okay.
Alright.
Let's try putting the monkey.
Yeah, let's try putting the monkey down.
Holy crap.
Ow. Donna, what do you have to say?
That hurts. Ow, I just bit my finger.
Hi.
Aww.
Hair. No, I don't think you eat hair ties. I mean, you can try, I guess, if you.
Come here, monkey. Oh, yeah, get away from him.
Wait, cuidado.
I thought you were trying to put him down. Why would you pick him back up?
Yes.
The hair tie in his mouth.
See if you can get it. Look at this.
Hey, someone want to help?
There you go. Good job, Mr. Lyons.
That is not food.
Yeah, monkeys are afraid of
Now he's
lions.
mad at you.
There you go.
Okay, Nicole, we're leaving.
Go, get. Oh, no, go, Alicia.
I can fall.
It's so funny.
Watch out. You're about to fall
I know, I see.
Quiso comer mi pelo rojo.